Welcome. If you're looking to empower your Telegram group and streamline your video chat management, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to allow an admin to manage video chats on your Telegram group using the PC app, all thanks to the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights in the group where you want to update permissions. Once Telegram is open, head over to your chat list and select the group you manage. Click to open it, and take a look at the top right corner of your group window. You'll see 3 dots. This is your shortcut to group settings. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu, choose Manage Group. Inside the Group Management panel, look for the Administrators section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin you want to grant video chat management rights to and click on their name. Now, you'll see a list of permissions you can enable for this admin. Scroll until you find the option labeled Manage Video Chats. Toggle this setting on to give them the ability to start, schedule, and control video chats within your group. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've now successfully allowed your chosen admin to manage video chats in your Telegram group. This update makes it easier than ever to collaborate, host meetings, or run community events, all from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your fellow group admins so everyone can make the most of Telegram's powerful features. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting.